introduction. Ay, di ko libaan ko. Pagkahanggang ni Sir nang mahuman na siya. Hala, tugudog. Good evening again. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm Cynthia Andaya. I'm from Manila. Kaya bear with me kung tumbling ang Bisaya. I joined Railway during the pandemic, 2021. But actually, I know about peer-to-peer 2011. Wala pang office dito sa Manila, and the product is not really that available yet. But I was so, alam mo na, yung usually, alam ko na yan. Or ayaw ko yan kasi mahal. And ayaw ko yan kasi networking. Diba? I'm sad to say, I hate networking, but I joined a lot of networking company because I was looking for food supplements for my youngest son. Meron siyang skin asthma from birth. When Railway was introduced to me again last 2021 because of his severe rashes and sabi ng friend ko, itry mo to. Alam na natin to before, pero itry mo. So, when I started getting him, I actually learned about the price, and yun na nga, the usual concern natin, ay, ang mahal. Diba? It's 166 for 7 bottles, 6 months therapy. But when I realized and computed how much I spent already for the skin asthma of my youngest son, can you imagine, since birth, all the expensive medications, lotions, ointments, steroids, and test, diba? Allergy test here, allergy test there, yung gano'n. So, different derma, I even tried lactobacilli. Who's familiar with Yakult? Anong commercial ng Yakult? Okay ka ba, Chan?
Yeah.
Diba? Because of So, we even tried lactobacilli in an ampule form. So, it was so expensive kasi sa US pa yun in-order that time. That was, I think, when grade 3 siya and grade 4. So, when I computed it, actually yung ginastos ko, not to mention the professional fee of the doctor because we have health card, magto 2 million na siya. So from birth to age 21, can you imagine? Nakakaawa yung bata, sa nanay, di ba? Pag nanay ka, tapos hindi mo alam how you can help your children na gano'n nagsasuffer. And then, when he started taking peer-to-peer, February 2021, pagdating ng April, okay na siya. So, praise God, diba? Kasi parang I waited 10 years before I tried peer-to-peer. It was presented to us 2011. So, for those who are skeptical na, ay, mahal or our product is hindi mahal. It's actually high price because of the value. Diba? So, yun yung first na naka sa akin, Kaya I decided to join Railway. And lahat ng family namin actually benefited from peer-to-peer. My mom, 88-year-old, nagka-COVID last 2022. Hindi ko siya na-report sa barangay kasi she's 88. Pag ni-report mo yun sa hospital, abo na yung lalabas. Correct? Diba? And my husband and all of us and me, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo, nagulat si Pang kanina. Sabi niya, tita, ilan daw yung eldest mo, tita? Sabi ko, 34. 34, 29, and 23. Sabi niya, ganun, 34? 34 years old pala siya. Sabi ko, panganay na kita. So, meron po akong countdown. I only 182 loads. Eligible na po ako sa discount. Dual citizen. Wow! And sabi ko nga, family namin, I actually have GERD, and my GERD talaga is sobrang severe siya. No, I got it after I gave birth to my youngest. Nagkaroon ako ng internal bleeding, ulcers, and then from that time, nagkaroon na ako ng severe GERD talaga, na talagang I even developed Barrett esophagus, no, kasi too much acid sa ano. So, sanay ako dyan sa PPI, yung proton pump inhibitor, ano ba yan, mga Gaviscon, omeprazole, before meal, after, di ba? Before meal, lahat na lang, no? But yung severity niya is talagang, yung lahat na lang na intake ko, even water, throw out ko. Minsan, nagdadrive ako, and then you're suddenly, nasa steering wheel mo na lahat yung, then, throw off na ako in the middle of the road. And then, yung talagang hindi ako makahinga. Ganun siya ka-severe, no? So, when I travel usually out of the country, yung gagis ko na dala ko, parang 1 year supply. Kahit ilang months, ilang days lang ako doon. Kasi talaga, as in, parang every time na mag-a-attack, inom ako. But then when I tried, yan na nga, no, when okay yung anak ko sa family namin, I also tried it. By the grace of God, ngayon, wala na po akong GERD. Yes. Wala nang gagis ko. Wala nang omeprazole, gasmectin, or whatever pa yan. So, I can take coffee. I can take maaanghang, di ba? Spicy food. No? And yun po, no, talaga yung buong family namin. And I have this, sabi nga nila, yung pure care natin is really a miracle drug. Miracle food supplements. It's not a drug. No? It's talagang nagbibigay siya ng hope dun sa mga hopeless. But sabi ko nga, there's only one thing. Meron po akong condition na hindi natabangan ng purchir. So, may mga sharing dito na, yung male, diabetic, putol na ang paa, wala yung paa, nagbarog pa. So, may condition, no, na hindi natulungan ng purchir. It actually became aggressive, and my husband is supporting me. Wow! Ano kaya? And he's happy about that. Uy, ano kaya? So yun, no? I feel energetic. I don't feel magsi-60.
Yes.
No? And yun na nga yung secret ko, huwag niyo ipapamalita. Bawal. Isa lang request ko, bukod dun sa huwag niyo ipapamalita, yung secret ko, huwag niyo akong paparinggan ng Michael Jackson songs, Usher, hip-hop dance, kasi po, nagsasayaw ako. Hip-hop dancer po. I can do hip-hop. I dance. Hindi po ako a trained dancer or what. I just love to dance. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, my husband is so supportive that he even posted I'm dancing on our way back to Suvarnadabini Airport from the LTS. I'm dancing on a moving bus. Bahala kayo dyan, basta masasayaw ako. So, ang tagay ng husband ko, may dancing queen, o diba? Supportive siya. So, hintayin mo po, at the age of 65 or 70, mag-head spin ako. That's all. Hope you're able to get something from me. Thank you.